The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is here, debuting with a new face, but the prices, they go up a bit. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we are confronted with the harsh reality of a nearly 30% decline in the Aviator sales from last year. And it was time for a makeover for its midsize SUV. Now, when we enter the 2025 My Aviator that boasts a sharper and more appealing face, it's complemented by a range of tech enhancements, including a larger touchscreen for the new infotainment system. Now, these updates are intended to give the Aviator sales a much-needed boost, helping it regain its market position. Now, available for order now, with the first deliveries expected by the summer, this refresh marks the first major update for the second generation of the Aviator, which initially entered the market in 2019. Now, the most noticeable change to the 2025 Aviator is its redesigned front end, featuring a raised grille that aligns with the restyled headlamps. Now, the latter incorporates new daytime running lights with available sequential animations that welcome and bid farewell to the owner. And this feature is being called Lincoln Embrace. Now, elsewhere, two new exterior colors, Sea-Note Green and Whisper Blue Metallic, are offered on the top-end Black Label models. Now, a new jet package is available on all models, adding black trimmings and accents, including a grille insert, badging, and window surrounds. Premier models also receive specific 21-inch wheels, while Black Label models get 22-inch rims. Now, you also have, like its Ford Explorer sibling that was introduced last week, the 2025 Aviator benefiting from a range of tech updates inside. This includes the new Lincoln Digital Experience Infotainment System, which allows passengers to watch YouTube or Amazon Prime videos when stationary and even play video games with a Bluetooth connected controller. Now, the system also lets users download apps like Spotify and Waze directly from Google Play Store. And the infotainment system is now paired with a larger 13.2-inch touchscreen over the center stack, while the 12.4-inch screen serving as a digital cluster has been updated. Now, other interior enhancements include the addition of the wireless charging pad on the center console and the introduction of 4 new color schemes: Onyx, Light Space Gray, Harvest Browns with Onyx accents, and Hot Chocolate with Onyx accents. Now, in addition, the Black Label model gets an available invitation interior with black leather upholstery and brandy colored stitching and special wood accents. Now, Lincoln has added more standard features to the 2025 model, including an auto air refresh feature, a panoramic vista roof, a heated steering wheel, and heated and ventilated first row seats, wireless phone charging, adaptive suspension, and a Class 3 trailer hitch capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds. Now, for the first time since its introduction, the Aviator comes with BlueCruise hands-free driver assistance feature that's standard across all trims, offering 4 years of complimentary service. Now, underneath the mildly revised sheet metal, the Aviator retains the same CD6 platform used by the Ford Explorer, offering rear-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive as an option. Now, all Aviators are powered by a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine generating 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, remaining unchanged from last year. I want to remind you that both Ford and Lincoln dropped the hybrid option from the Explorer and Aviator. Now, again, the 2025 Aviator is ready to order, and you can get it this summer. The pricing for the updated model, excluding the $1,395 destination fee, well, that starts at $58,495 for the base Premier, $67,495 for the Reserve, and $86,995 for the Black Label. Now, while the Aviator does get more standard content throughout the range, these MSRPs represent a significant increase over last year's model, ranging from $5,155 to $8,490 on those increases. So with that said, the new model worth the new money. What do you guys think? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.